off the page.
Oh, thank you.
It's just
I was wondering.
Can't get it.
That's okay. Yeah, that happens. Okay,
And-
so but
okay.
let's get everything out and see if you can put your so I don't trip over that.
And my mom wasn't here, so I didn't really know if I was supposed to.
Let's check out your homework. Usually I do assign something. So it's a little bit too close. That's right. Okay, let me double check what's going on. So let's start with right hand only and keep the weight in your back. Okay. Notice that it doesn't start, it starts below middle C in the bass clef, right? Very good. Very nice. Good job. Make one more thing happening. For the next week, I want left hand too, but I want right hand faster.
Okay.
Good job. Good. Make sure they all together. They don't do rivet. Can you play this and this? 2. Good job. Excellent. What about the broken chords? Again, notice that it starts on the left side. So just scoot back a little. Very good. Nice. Excellent job. Very good, very good. Okay, what about right hand right here? Good. And final arpeggio. Final arpeggio. Again, notice that it starts below middle C. Nice. So now you're keeping your weight in the back. Yeah, I can notice that. Okay, excellent. Really good. Would you prefer to stay on D minor for left hand or move on to B flat major?
Didn't we already do that?
I don't think we did the left hand here.
Those were right here.
Yes. Maybe let's move on to B flat. And let's do one hand. Yeah, I think so. It's just not enough time. Yeah. But go ahead and keep practicing this one for a little bit, just hand separately, so you're really, really sure, okay? Notice that it's unusual fingering. Yeah, fingering is different, okay? So let's do right hand only. Pay attention to fingering. And again, very solid, okay? That's right. Okay, let's quickly check, what did I assign? So it says number 4, only E flat. Go ahead and try to do it right now. So since you just did B flat, which is in circle of fifths right here with 2 flats, E flat right here with 3 flats.
Oh, I forgot. I already had this one.
And remember, in the exam you won't be able to see the piano. You will see this, and that's it. You kind of have to do it in your head. You kind of have to use the circle of fifths. You cannot actually play. You have to remember that it's 3 flats. Yeah. Let me just give you quick.
Wait, there's
Uh-huh.
the flat right here.
That's right. You're missing one more. You got the. Remember, Father Christmas gave Daddy an electric blanket, but backwards you can do like brave, elephant, and dog go catfishing. So you're missing. You did brave. You did elephant. You did and, but you forgot the
Wait.
B flat. You forgot the B flat. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. B flat. Here you go. That's right. That's right. Good. So let's move on. Okay. This C minor harmonic form. Do I have to remind you what is harmonic form means?
It's like where you.
So it's a raised seventh step. So C minor is the. By the way, there's so many famous pieces in C minor. For example, so. C minor is a relative of E flat major. How many flats you gonna have? Relative. So C.
3.
Yes, exactly. What flats are it gonna be? So Father Christmas gave Daddy an electric blanket.
B, E, and B. Oh.
A. Yeah. Brave, elephant, and B-A-E. Or you can just remember it this way.
It's basically the same thing.
That's right. But because the seventh step in natural form it would be flat, but in this case it's not. Yeah, it's not going to be sharp, but it's what you don't have. Yeah, a natural. That's exactly right. You don't have to write it, but if you write the natural, it's going to be like, oh, nice touch. He remembers it's natural. So only C minor harmonic form. Okay, good. Okay, let's give it a try. From the memory, the entire thing. Let's see how it goes.
I still don't have the pedal completely memorized, but
That's okay. So we'll do just like a couple trial runs and I'll keep reminding you about those places because it's just a matter of correct repetition.
Okay.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I if there was any other way, but it's all like repetition. Okay, let's do bowing everything, okay? Because you have to do it on the 7th. Take your time, focus. Let's work on pedals since that's what you don't have to memorize. Actually, the first two measures, there's no pedal because of this interval of minor second you have. It's not going to be clean if you use pedal. So no pedal. Pedal. Can you try it one more time? And again, no pedal there yet. Not that you need to clean pedal more. It's not coming off entirely. Just keep very close control of your foot. Second time through, when you have ta-dee-da, second time through, no pedal either, right? So both times, because of the minor second, don't pedal there. the tone is very sickly one, very small one. It needs to be present. So I know you're afraid that it's not going to be beautiful. So go ahead and step out just for a second. I'm going to show you how it can be full, gentle, and still beautiful even when it's louder, okay? So you just have to be, everything is in a balance, right? So,
Go out now.
yes, you can go out if you want to. So, if you, that's your tone right now, right? It's just not gonna project, especially in the big hole. Make sure it's, see, it's still beautiful, even though I'm playing way louder than you are, right? And it's still gentle. Would you agree? It's not ugly. And here's the ugly one. Right? Because I'm not playing exactly legato. I'm like kind of pushing every note. But here's, I'm overlapping just slightly the notes, and that's what creates the gentleness, right? If I do, then it's not going to be beautiful. Overlap a little bit. And I would pick up the tempo a little bit. Okay, try it.
And when I did that part the second time, but I brought off the pedal sound really quick, which I didn't really love. Would it?
I know.
Would
So
you like it if I like slowly brought it off, like
you have to be kind of
measure in advance?
not really measure in advance. So trust your ears more, because I know it's really hard to play and listen at the same time, but usually ears will tell you when to change pedal, and it becomes more natural, and it's just like, oh, right here. So just use your ears. Extra picky. So if you do this, ya da di da di da di da 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 di da da, be sure not to accent the end of the phrase. Ya da di da di da di da di da, taper, ba di da di, ba di da da, right?
Okay.
So try not to be gentle at the end of the. No pedal at the, yeah. One more time, and remember not to go down in the left hand. It's in the same octave. Good. I wouldn't be so ya ka right? It's too much. It's like stopping too much. Di da ba di da dum pa pi pom 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 dum pom. Poco ritardando. Poco means a little.
Yeah.
Poco ritardando, not too much. That, so it has to be yum bum bum. And don't go left hand stays. Left hand stays. Yum bum bum. No pedal. here because you have to kind of stay on your heel and your back needs to help with this. Yada dee da dee da no pedal, yaga dee da ti pedal, yada pedal da dee da pedal, change no pedal, ding dong, yaga da 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 da. Start right again from the transition, and again be very careful with the pedaling. Just keep. So see if you can keep like very good posture. It's gonna help. Yeah, find something comfortable. It's because your brain thinks you're falling forward. That's why it stops you from playing the correct notes on the left hand. Keep the posture up, and it's going to help you to play the notes correctly. That's right. Harmonic A minor, yeah. Twice da dee da, 1 2 3, ba dee da, 1 2 3, no pedal. More sound, more sound. Be careful, yeah. I know, like there's so many instructions, like what exactly to follow. So don't more sound, but do not accent the first beat because it interrupts the phrase. Da dee da da, da dee da da. Can you go? That was really beautiful what you did on 30. To be very picky, Beethoven does not let you hold this one. You kind of have to let it go, and there's no pedal. Do you think you can start from yaga diga 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 yaga da 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 diga da da? Scoop that chest. Yeah. So make sure that you kind of But this one is I'll be extremely picky. This is legato. So because here's the difference, right? So go ahead, just stick out. It's so many little details and everything is important. So he plays this. Do you notice how that's different, right? Versus. Or. Start again there, okay? See if you can do it. It's super tricky. Legato on the left hand. Second, it's a sign of being not very mature pianist. I want you to be mature and super precise, okay? No pedal there.
Oh,
and more sound, more sound. Sorry, what?
Do you want me to restart from here?
Yeah, that would be a good thing. Every time you're playing this one, there's no pedal, okay? Yeah, different. So you have to do ba-dee-da soft. You're doing ba-dee-da-da, right? So try one more time. Dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da soft. No. Dee-da-dee. Overlap just a little bit. So hard. You're doing great. No pedal, please, no pedal every time. Good. Much better because you focus now on pedal. But now your first beat is still accented, and whatever is leading to the first beat is just not coming through enough. It's still yeah, because left hand comes in. See if you can do the opposite. Da da dee da dee da dee da soft, da dee da soft, da dee da da. One more time. Sorry, I will be super picky. No pedal on this one, please. 15% more sound at the very beginning. 15% more. And no accent on the first beat. That's and no pedal, please, no pedal. And no holding. Yeah, also you cannot hold your left hand. Look at this. It's empty space. Beethoven wrote for you just because it's so much beautiful when it's just alone, right? And nothing interrupts. There's no ooh in the left hand. So no left hand, no pedal when you're playing this. One more time. 15% more. Not without the and soft. I know you want to be beautiful, but you're being beautiful sacrificing the body of the sound. It's like it's too too non-existent. It has to be present, right? So it's like you wanna like love every key. You wanna make sure it sounds, because otherwise you just not producing enough sound. It doesn't reach us. For you it's beautiful. Out here it's too weak. Start from T dot, second time through T dot, and 15% more. No pedal. And so always ya da dee da dee da dee da da. Imagine that this A is like a precious baby or Chinese vase or something that has to be put very accurately, something with care, okay? So good, and I think you can also play a little bit faster. It's going to be easier to control. Beautiful. Pedal, no left hand. Keep going. That was so much better. No. This one is remember the second time through you already has to go to pull. Second time through. Not bad, but just hear me out for a second. If you bring out only left hand, all we hear is A. This is not the most important thing. So you have to do this. doesn't write this. He doesn't write. He wrote this. Yeah, like kind of touching. You can start warming up in there. It needs essence. It's missing the essence. The sound needs body. More space between you and piano. You can do it this way as well, right? Just you can sit closer actually if you want to, but you just have to lean forward so you have more space between. Can we start right from here? T ba 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 from D minor. T minor da da da. And almost diminished, right? On the key like this. I would do this actually. 1 2 1 2 1, because eventually you have to go faster. Not right now, but it's this 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Can you do this? Yes, you don't have to work that hard actually. It's this. It's like, it's pushing, no, it's pushing over you. Or just this. Good, yeah. So hard. Go ahead and play it slower, but see if you... All one pedal. Until you do low A. Not that low. Good. Remember, blueberry, apple pie. Okay. Can you do it one more time? Keep blueberry, and then you have to switch to And don't forget your left hand has to repeat on B flat as well, right? Yeah, A minor, just A minor chord. Just A minor in the left hand, just A minor. Yeah, Good, but make sure it's very clear. Blueberry, apple pie. Can we do it from 80? With A minor chord. Left hand plays A minor chord. Above middle C, the third finger middle C. Blueberry, apple. How many turns? This one is only 2. No, this one is different. Good, let's do it one more time from this one. So here, don't slow down too much. Really use your back here. Review all the pedaling through the time where it's not, because where it's not there, don't use it. See if you can try legato here. It's not yap ka ka, right? No pedal. You overplayed one here. Make sure to count. See if you can. It's tricky. Again, no pedal, no left hand. It's all those places. No pedal, no left hand. No pedal, no left hand. Good job here. Much better. See if you can remember that this is low A. Don't miss this additional A minor. Apple, apple. And again, it's not dee da dee da dee. It's ya da dee da dee da da. Okay, no pedal, no left hand. No pedal, no left hand. And always more sound here, less sound on the first beat. More sound here, less sound on the first beat. It's soft. Okay. Good job. You're welcome. Yeah, okay. So practice performing for someone, because next week is our last lesson before the break and before the 2 recitals we have.